Most people are like puppets. When someone pulls the string of insult, they dance with anger. When someone pulls the string of urgency, they dance with anxiety. They are predictable. And in the world of power, predictability is a death sentence. But what if you cut the strings? What if, when the world expected a roar, you gave them nothing? Today, we aren't just talking about keeping your cool. We are diving into the 7 dark tricks of non-reaction, techniques used by the most powerful figures in history to dismantle their enemies without saying a single word. If you want to stop being a pawn and start being the player, listen closely, because once you master these, no one can ever hurt you again. When someone insults you, they're looking for a return on investment. They invest energy into a provocation, and they expect a payout of emotion. Trick 1. Deny them the payout. When an attack comes, wait. Count to 4 in your head while looking them directly in one eye. Not both, just one. This creates a psychological void. Humans naturally fear silence because they feel the need to fill it. By staying silent, you force them to keep talking. Eventually, they will start explaining themselves, stuttering, or taking back what they said. You haven't moved an inch, yet they are the ones losing ground. Dark trick number 2 is about devaluing their power. If someone screams at you, do not scream back. Instead, react as if they are a scientific curiosity. Tilt your head slightly. Say, "That's an interesting way to express that." This does 2 things. First, it positions you as the judge and them as the subject. Second, it signals that their atomic bomb of an insult didn't even leave a scratch. It was just interesting. Nothing kills an ego faster than being treated like a laboratory specimen. The eyes are the gateway to the soul, but they are also the primary indicator of fear. When we are intimidated, we blink faster and look away. To master non-reaction, you must master the predatory stare. When being confronted, do not look down. Look at the bridge of their nose. To them, it looks like you are staring directly into their eyes, but for you, it's less intense, allowing you to remain detached. By not blinking, you signal to their lizard brain that you are not a prey animal. You are the one waiting for them to make a mistake. This is a judo move for the mind. When someone calls you a name or tries to shame you, agree with them, but do it with total indifference. If they say, "You're arrogant," respond with, "You might be right. I'll think about that." This is a dark trick because it leaves the attacker with nowhere to go. You've taken their weapon and laid it on the floor. You haven't defended yourself, so there is no conflict to fuel. You are a ghost. Their blows pass right through you. Non-reaction isn't just about what you say, it's about what your body does. Under stress, your body wants to fidget, touch your neck, or shift your weight. These are leaks. The 5th trick is the statue protocol. The moment you feel a social attack, freeze your lower body. Keep your hands visible and still. When you move, move slowly. High-status individuals move with deliberation. By slowing down your physical reality, you force the person attacking you to match your pace, effectively de-escalating the situation while maintaining total dominance. Sometimes the most powerful reaction is to simply not be there. If a conversation becomes toxic, don't argue your point. Don't try to get the last word. Just leave. But here's the trick. Don't leave in a huff. Don't slam the door. Leave with a polite, we can continue this when you're thinking more clearly. This frames the other person as the one who is out of control, and you as the adult who has better things to do. Your time is your most valuable asset. Don't spend it on someone else's tantrum. The final trick is the hardest. The death of the ego. Most people react because they are protecting an image of themselves. They want to be seen as tough, smart, or right. But if you realize that their opinion of you has zero impact on your reality, you become invincible. When you don't care about being right, you gain the power to be calm. And in any conflict, the person who stays the calmest for the longest always wins. Because while the other person is blinded by their own fire, you are the only one who can still see the exit. Non-reaction isn't weakness. It is the ultimate form of discipline. It is the quiet before the storm. If you found value in these dark truths, hit the subscribe button. Become the observer, not the victim. And remember, silence is the loudest sound you can make.